After logging in, you get straight to the library with all your programs. Besides the games and drills curriculums, which are our main programs, we also divided the activities up into teaching aid specific programs. For example, there is a program with all activities with just hula hoops, pool noodles, and we will also add more programs like this for specific teaching aids. And then for our main curriculums, choose the age group you want to work with. And also keep in mind that games in each age group can quite easily be adjusted to fit older and younger children as well. But it's a very good starting point. We would use these curriculums in one of two ways. Either go from beginning to the end, teaching one game after the other, and mark games as completed at the top right of each video to keep track of your progress. Or go through all games and challenges ahead of time and mark those games as completed that are not well suited for your programs. And you can build your own tailor-made curriculum this way. And just use those games and activities that are not marked in your lessons. Ask any questions you might have in relation to the games in the comment section under each video. We would use the feature of the navigation menu at the very top to get a more visual representation of the activities. For example, click on month to see thumbnails of all activities. Also, make use of the quick search function at the top left. Use it to quickly search any activity or resource. Keep in mind though that searches bring back results from all contents, including the blog. Check out our coaching tips section to the left that includes our community forum as well. And there are additional resources to the very right, including teaching aids we use and the MOBAC assessment test.